Easy now, nice and slow. Watch your step there, big guy. Watch the horns on the right. Clear.
Okay, gently steady him there. Right ear canal is clear.
Copy that, right ear clear. Sensor readings look good, no congestion detected. Confirmed. Logs updated. Circumference at the base, 42.5 centimeters. Recorded. The surface texture appears consistent with healthy growth. Indeed, the density is excellent.
Flexibility seems optimal. No issues with the tendons either.
Excellent. The results confirm peak condition. Look at this cellular activity. Absolutely perfect.
Remarkable, the healthiest longhorn we've ever scanned.
Left and right sides are washed thoroughly. Special nozzles target full coverage. Workers adjust water pressure carefully.
Looks clear. Go ahead and power down the front jets. Roger that, looks good.
All washing standards verified clean.
Confirmed. The inspection is successfully passed.
Zone 3 gates are opening now. Proceed with caution.
Copy. Control. Approaching the threshold. Movement is calm.
Just confirm the margin on this curve.
It's exactly 3 millimeters, as specified.
Workers trim and smooth the edges of each leather piece. Special tools refine the surface for a luxury finish. Quality inspectors check consistency in every component. Premium leather straps are cut and shaped. The worker reinforces the straps for strength. Metal fittings are polished for a luxury appearance. Each piece undergoes quality inspection. Ultrafine sanding tools are used to perfect the surface finish. Edges are softened for comfortable wearability, and workers carefully remove any remaining imperfections.